Hello, I'm Carolina, and I'm not a robot, because I personally search high and low for the best police interactions that demonstrate a familiar theme. Then, with my viewers and subscribers in mind, I carefully reorganize and reconstruct it into a product that is easily understood and internalized. My goal? That together we can expose and force these tyrants into transparency and accountability. It was inevitable. Today's policing policies have allowed for too many bad cops to slip through the cracks and end up on the roster of somebody's police department. This is one of those cops. This is William Skelton, and he actually believed that his badge had magical powers, that he would never be held accountable, that he would never have to be transparent, and heaven forbid if anybody looked at his body cam footage. That night he received a call, and the complainant said there was a man inside a convenience store knocking things over. When he arrived on the scene, he met his other groupers. They were Officers Hardiman, Bitterick, and Sharman. A quick walk through the convenience store found one bag of chips on the floor and Drew Thomas, the man that supposedly had caused all this vandalism. Here's Officer Skelton's first interaction with the cousins coming from the officer.
I said you're under arrest. Hands on the car. Hands on the car, dickhead.
Oh, shit, I ain't do nothing. What you dealt with me, man? I ain't do nothing. I got brown road. Keep your hands on the hood. I got a lot of them. Benefit. Crossway. Look at my ball. I didn't do nothing, man. I was trying to go to work.
Have you ever even had a real job?
Downtown.
Okay. Yeah, you about to have some work downtown. Hands behind your back, you're under arrest. This way.
Where we going?
Jail.
For what?
Vandalism.
What I vandalism?
The inside of the store.
What I do?
You vandalized the inside of the store. Sit.
Oh, I did. I bought some coffee.
Good. Sit.
Am I heavy?
No, sit.
Why not?
Because I said so. Put your feet in. Eat a dick, motherfucker.
Lobotomy sounding nicer, isn't it?
Yeah, it sure is. Sure is.
If you need to rip out loose as fuck, we can rip out.
No.
Are you sure?
Kick my car again, I'm gonna foam you. You understand me, dickhead? I will spray the out of you. You worthless piece of incestuous
Get me to the jail anyway.
Suck my balls, dickhead. I told him I was gonna spray him. 774. Suspect's kicking my car door. I am deploying my pepper foam. I'm trying.
You alright? What the hell am I doing that fuck bag?
I don't think so. Anybody got a rib hobble? Mine seems to be missing.
I know you just hangs at the door.
Yeah.
I'll hold him on the other side.
Good luck.
Now they're gonna hog tie him too.
Lock it.
No. You kick me, you get it again.
No, sir. May you let the window down.
For you? Hell no. Not after that. You gonna make me have to treat you like that after I tried to be good to you the first time, tried to take you somewhere to get you some help? Then you gonna make me be an asshole and now you gonna ask me for a favor? I don't think so. Roll the window down. I probably should.
He was calling you sir at the end of that though.
Yeah, he was.
Luckily, that body cam footage surfaced, and Officer Skelton resigned before he could get fired, but not before he bragged to everybody what he had done.
You got enough for a felony?
Yeah.
Good. Did you hear all that on the radio? Thank you.
I've never been more proud of you.
Oh, well, thank you. Never? I phoned him.
Good.
Got both of us
I
on camera.
phoned the out of him.
I'm gonna have my day on that.
That's fine. I phoned the out of him. I told him I was going to phone the
And then he started kicking again. I'm like, you gonna do it? He's like, I'm gonna do it. I'm like, oh shit, here we go.
He kicked the door. I said, you do it again, I'm going to phone you. He did it again.
You don't
so
need
I
to point
phoned
your
him.
gun at me. My hands are right here in front of me. You can see them. That's not a gun. It's not a gun. It's not a gun. Hold on.
So, this is Riverside County Accountability. And these officers are all going to go in power-hungry mode immediately because they got a call of a man with a gun. But it's not a gun. It's a taser, and he's allowed to have it. Watch how these officers act towards an ordinary citizen. And tell me if they're not power-tripping fools.
What do you mean I'm allowed to carry a taser? Hold on, I don't want this to fall. It's gonna fall, man. What's up? I already told him it's a taser.
Take that backpack off.
Why would I take the backpack off?
Take the backpack off.
Why do I need to take the backpack off?
I'm telling you to take the backpack off.
Keep your hands up. Turn around. Walk back. Hands on your head.
Why are you detaining me? There's no need for you to detain me.
So the canine unit handler wants to show power over an animal that nips at his hands.
Why are you detaining me? There's no need for you to detain me. This is ridiculous.
Everyone wants a piece of Riverside. They're all taking turns doing something to him. Did they find a gun? Nope. Did they find anything in the backpack with the illegal search? Nope.
Yeah, he's over there checking my stuff. Don't touch my stuff.
Okay.
He's about to let it fall.
So I'm gonna treat this just like as if like a traffic stop, like we
We're gonna fast forward through the cops planning.
no license plates on it and you find the license plates on it. It's weird. So you got detained because residents or the business trouble get called.
Exactly. I didn't even identify. You kept on asking for my ID, but I don't even identify. Yeah, you can ask, but you kept on going and you said that I have to. Because I'm being detained, man. No, man. I said it's suspicion of misdemeanor or felony. You said it's a misdemeanor. No, it's not. It's neither. A felony, right? Okay. Okay, well, I mean, I know that I'm not carrying no defense, so I don't need to. No. If I'm on probation or parole, but I don't.
No, correct. Now when you're going to get you're free to go. After providing your name, you must make that illegal. We come to make sure, put that on you, we'll talk to the police on you. Now, by them calling, is this a legal authority to come over here? And that's so you have to description of suspects that they called about. Make sure you don't have a weapon, so gun, like I said, the law be broken.
There was no need for you guys to detain me. I haven't broken any. I know I haven't. But so there was no need for you guys to fucking even put me in cuffs. You guys can just, they knew, oh, it's a taser. They didn't even, before they even put me in cuffs, he's like, oh, it's a taser. Yes, I have it on camera, man. Okay, we're done. That's why we detained you. We're done. You want his information? What's your badge number? No, you're dismissed.
Okay, we're good. Thank you. Have a good day.
You're dismissed.
You finished watching the video. Tell me in the comments who was the worst tyrant. Was it this man, William Skelton, who tried to ruin Drew Thomas's life? Or was it the dog handler? Or is it these two Canadians getting out of the car right now? Let me know in the comments. This is Calgary, Canada, and when you compare two countries' laws, there will be a variance. However, the laws in Canada and the laws in the United States parallel very closely when it comes to search and seizure and identity laws. And just like the United States, many of the cops are tyrants, thinking that their badge is magical and that it can hide them from transparency, from accountability, and never ever getting to see their body cams.
You want to roll down your window, sir?
Nah, I can hear you. What's up?
Okay, well, Constable Lang with Calgary Police, the reason why we're stopping you is because the vehicle's registered to a female and you're obviously a male, so can I see your driver's license?
Nah, man, it's not. Is the reporter stolen?
Can I see your driver's
No,
license?
no, you don't run things here. You work for me until I break the law, mister. So I'm gonna ask you again: is the car reported stolen?
No, but I'll
okay,
tell you
well then there's no reasonable articulable suspicion.
Actually, let me explain something to you, sir. Because the vehicle's registered to a female.
It doesn't matter.
Can I speak or?
Well, you can
You're
say
a
whatever.
male.
You can cop explain all you want, but
You're a male, which means you need to identify yourself under the Traffic Safety Act.
No,
or
I
I'm
don't.
gonna arrest you.
yeah, okay, then you can arrest me because I've done nothing wrong.
Go ahead and step out of the car. Unlock the car.
What's your name and badge number? Call a sergeant
Unlock
right
the
now.
door.
I'm not locking my door. What are you talking about?
Unlock
Call
the
a
door.
sergeant.
Unlock the door.
What crime have I committed?
Under the TSA, you need to identify yourself, and you're.
If I'm
choosing not to.
suspected of a crime.
Nope.
Yes, it is. I know the law.
Unlock the door. We're gonna break the window.
You're gonna break my window for me not doing anything wrong.
Unlock the door.
All we
sir.
want is your documents, man.
For what? You my documents? Is this Nazi Germany?
Hold on. What's?
Is this Nazi Germany?
No, this is not Nazi.
You guys are live on
You're in
YouTube.
Canada.
Okay, you're live on YouTube, just so you know.
If you're
Perfect.
not going to produce your ID, then what's your name?
I can produce my ID, but I haven't done anything wrong. That's what I'm trying to talk to you, but this guy's escalating
Do
it.
you understand what he's asking?
He's saying he's gonna break my window because I've done nothing wrong because this car is registered. He's saying to a female. So what?
So we're allowed doing a check on documents because it's not registered.
Okay, call the female it's registered to then. I'm not gonna help you with your investigation.
So we need to ID you to see who you are.
What does that matter? How is me? Okay, if the car is registered to a female, right? How is my license or my ID gonna tell you who I am? Like, how is that gonna help the situation?
Under the Traffic Safety Act, you have to identify yourself.
If I'm lawfully pulled over, I've already been to court for this. So you're gonna lose your badge. What's your name and badge number?
I'm not worried about it. I've already given
Perfect.
that
Okay.
information to you.
No, you didn't. S.
What's your name?
Lagine.
Yep. You got
S.
it.
Lagine
What's
is
your
a
name?
tyrant,
What's your
thug.
name?
My name. I'll give you my first name.
Sure.
Okay. What? Look at him put on his gloves. I haven't done anything
What's-
wrong. This
what's
is
your-
how you guys treat the public.
I'm
I've
giving
done nothing wrong.
I'm giving you another chance here. but I
Another
need your
chance. He's
name.
putting on his gloves to intimidate me. Look at this.
What's your name?
My name is Dwight.
Dwight? DWIGHT?
Yeah.
What's your last name, Dwight?
Sir, I'm asking why are you doing this to me? I haven't committed a crime.
We've explained it multiple
So you
times.
guys are gonna, okay, under duress, I'm gonna give you my last name under duress because he's threatening me, putting on
What's
gloves.
threatening you? What's
Yes,
your
he is, putting on gloves, threatening me, telling me he's gonna break my window. This cupcake right here said he's gonna break my window.
So what's your last name?
Domino.
Spell it for me, please.
Just like dominoes.
Okay. Domino. What's your date of birth, man?
But I don't understand why you're putting me in the system. I haven't done anything wrong.
Are you 30, roughly?
Yeah, but I haven't done anything wrong, so why are you putting me in the system?
I've already explained it.
Shut up, you didn't explain nothing. You said you're gonna break my window because the vehicle is registered to a woman. Like, whatever you want to say, you're not for the people. You're for profit. You're a loser. Look at you. You're a straight up loser. Look at that. Tyrant comes over here and tries to bully me into my ID because he thinks he's in Nazi Germany.
Thank you for your cooperation. Thank you for your documents. Everything checks out.
No shit, man. You didn't have reasonable cause for anything.
Here's your registration, your insurance.
Can I please have my ID back? Because last time they didn't give it back to me.
Enjoy the rest of your day. I appreciate your time and
Okay, you're dismissed now.